slow fire. Fire. Squeeze it. Okay, it will take 10 minutes to cook. We have to see the bubbles in the oil. It's getting gone the bubbles, so it's going to
Getting gone, getting lesser.
Here we go. The chocolates is gonna depart in the airport to the bowl. Ta-da! Here we go.